Indeed, I am very, very happy and great honor to talk one of my old friend and spiritual friend. So I really happy having this opportunity. Although physically we say distance, but mentally we always together. I always consider you as an elder spiritual brother. So naturally now getting older, but your spirit remain generation to generation. I myself, you see, till my death, I carry your spirit. And then one occasion, our meeting at Dharamsala, you mentioned as a believer of God. So you, after death, ready to go heaven. I am, according Christianity, I am not believer. So Dalai Lama go something different place.
I am very glad, obviously, to be in touch with my dear friend, His Holiness, and to see him looking so well. Yes, he looks like he's on top of the world. We have been very much looking forward to this session with His Holiness.
Are we good? Okay, great. His Holiness,
Listen, act like a holy man. You are mischievous, aren't you?
I consider that person also, you see, mischievous person. Unfortunately, that person is Christian.
Unfortunately, he's a Buddhist.
there's a question of how you think about your own deaths. That possibility.
Quite polite. Quite polite.
Well, he doesn't mind too much because there's the reincarnation.
And I'm wondering, what is it about your friendship with each other that allows you to have this kind of extraordinary joy?
He's always troubling me. I admire him enormously. Oh, he's going to get proud. I'm just saying he is there for us as a beacon.
So I really love, you see, he always teasing me. And also I tease him. You see, so we really become something quite special.
Yes.
So, and also his face is, you see, the head looks like a monk now. You see, this picture, special picture, I think at time of my death, I will remember you.
I want to commend the makers of the film that you have given the world a wonderful gift. So thank you.
People, when they saw your face and hopefully my face, then at least a short moment, they get some kind of peace. So, so I very much appreciate you, in spite your old age. Still, you dedicated well-being of other.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you, my dear friend.
Through television, it is quite easy to talk. So I'm hoping next meeting. Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you.